So starting the test drive in this Explorer ST line, I like that you get the overall feel and looks of the full-on ST. The only thing you're missing is just having that twin turbo V6. But this is still a pretty good powertrain. You get the 10-speed automatic still. You have a turbocharged 4-cylinder, which is more efficient and also still pretty quick. Unless you're used to driving the ST, you're not going to be upset with the engine you get here. But again, I like that you get pretty much everything ST in terms of the amenities. I mean, you have the adaptive cruise here, your heated seats, the interior feels similar. That same steering wheel here, nice and padded, sport oriented. And then with this one having the 4-wheel drive, you still have pretty similar capability as well if you want to take this for light off-roading. But I mean, so far it feels like, it doesn't feel as sporty as an ST in a good way. I feel like this is more of something I could daily commute in. It doesn't feel like a full-fledged sports SUV, but it is, again, sport-oriented. So I'm gonna go ahead and change the drive modes because I've had it in normal. And then we'll go ahead and put it in sport now. So I do like that we have the ability to use the cruise control. So this is school zone 20 miles per hour, so I'm able to actually set it to 20 miles per hour and use the adaptive cruise here, which is pretty neat. So very nice to have that. And pretty quiet in terms of the cabin acoustics. I like that the sound you get from the vehicle is very, very sporty, very aggressive. But it's not like I'm driving a race car. So since we still have it in sport mode, I'm going to go ahead and get ready to get on the interstate here and give it a nice good pull. And it's feeling like it's ready to go. So again, we're going to give it a pull here. So not a lot of room there, but my gosh, this thing is quick. I'm gonna set the cruise on here. All right, see if I can give it another pull here. So pretty impressive power all the way around. I have the lane centering on with the adaptive cruise, and it's just nice to be able to, at any given moment, just put my foot into this thing. And another good thing is it's nice to be able to use your sport mode while you have the adaptive cruise on. So if for whatever reason you need to go ahead and give it some gas, you don't have to worry about turning off the safety suite. So all in all, very impressed by the ST line. If you want to save yourself a little bit of money, you won't be disappointed with the acceleration. And I mean, just a good overall 3-row SUV. So this will bring me to the end of my review of this 2024 Ford Explorer ST line.